Hi, it's Mike.
Rather than analysing your data in a table yourself, you can just get Microsoft Excel to do it. So firstly, click in the table anywhere, click on Home and then click on Analyze Data. And what this does, it brings up a whole host of information about the data that is in your table. You can ask it a question and you need to make sure the question relates to the entries within the table so it understands what you mean. So for instance, bottom 3 country by halloumi, and that tells you Wales, Scotland, England have ordered the lowest. So let's just click back. There's all sorts of tables that you can insert here. So Ireland has the highest order for halloumi, and you can insert this table into your document.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.